How to turn off portrait mode on Snapchat. Snapchat portrait mode or similar features like depth effect or focus mode is designed to blur the background for a professional look. So if you want to turn it off, simply open the Snapchat app on your mobile device and log into your Snapchat account. Once logged in, you will be in the default camera view. Now on supported devices, Snapchat will display a portrait mode icon on the right side or near the top of the camera screen. But in the iPhone, simply scroll down the control center from the top right corner, and there you can see the video effects option available at the top. Now long press on it and you will be navigated to the portrait section. If you tap on it, it is toggled on, and if you don't, then it is toggled off. So that is it. This is how easy it is. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.